We have seen blackmailed, judges are blackmailed, giving verdicts. They have video blackmailing. What do you say about NAB courts in Pakistan?
Well, I don't know whether to laugh or to cry. I wouldn't even begin to compare NAB with a genuine accountability organization. NAB is a fraud. NAB is a skimming machine. NAB is an instrument of political victimization. NAB is, up to its recent past, it's been nabbing the enemies of the government of the day rather than nabbing the crooks that it was supposed to do. With it, what do I think of NAB? I don't spend many hours thinking about NAB. It's a fraud masquerading as an accountability bureau. It's a lie. It's a cheat. It's a fraud on the people of Pakistan.
Arshad Malik, late Judge Arshad Malik, he gave some verdict. I'm not going right or wrong, but he accepted that he was blackmailed when he was giving some verdicts. So do you know something about those cases?
I made it a habit of following the verdicts of the NAB Accountability Court, and should we say, they didn't do anything to change my mind about the reality of NAB, you know. And
if you change your party, that's everything goes well. If you don't change your party, so get ready for jail. What do you think about?
I confirm every word and letter of your last sentence. Yes, I do. I agree.
So you agree that NAB is used for political victimization?
I agree NAB was used